Welcome to my channel Techie Talk with Aditya. In this tutorial, we will be solving some of the SQL hands-on that were asked during the Cognizant internship. The title of the hands-on is Insert Record Department. So we need to insert the following record into department table. So we have one table that is department and we have to insert the data in that table only. And in the department table, we have columns like department ID, department name, and department block number. And we have to insert the following data that is mentioned in line number 3. So let me show you the syntax of the query. So we will use insert into, then we need to specify the table name. Now here we need to specify the column name that for which we want to add the values of separated by the commas. So if there are two columns, then we need to separate them by using the comma. Then we will use one more keyword, that is values, and again we will specify the values in the same order that we specify the columns. Let me comment this line so that we can start writing the original query. Now let's write the query. Insert into. Now whenever we want to add certain data in the table, we need insert into. These two keywords are very important when it comes to adding the data in the table. Then we have the table name, that is department. Now we will specify the columns. So let me copy the column names, department ID, department name, and department block number. So Control C and Control V. I will separate these three columns by using comma. So department ID, comma, department name, comma, department block number. Now I will use one keyword, that is values. Then I will specify the values. Here I have specified the CSC in double quotes because it is a varchar type of column. So department name is a varchar type. So that's why we need to specify the values in double quotes. For integer ID, we don't need to specify any kind of double quotes. So let's see whether the record is inserted or not. So select star from department. It will fetch the records, whatever records we have inserted till now. So as you can see, one record is there. So we have successfully inserted one record. So let's insert two more records. As you can see on the screen, we have successfully inserted all the three data, and we have also verified by using select star from department. In the department table, we have three entries. So what we did, we have inserted the values that were mentioned in the question in the department table. I hope you liked my video. If yes, please hit the like button and do share with your friends. If you have any queries, please let me know in the comments section. I am happy to answer all your queries. I will catch you in the next video. Till then, happy learning.